Welcome to Global Domains International. In this short video presentation, we will be going over everything you need to know to build a significant income with GDI. So let's get started. Founded in 1999, GDI is the official registry for all .ws domain names worldwide. When getting started, GDI offers a range of features that you can use right away to start building your own income for life, such as your own .ws domain name, email forwarding, marketing tools, and much more to be able to share with your community and others. GDI is completely free to start. You will become an independent affiliate once you have successfully signed up via your sponsor's GDI referral link. In addition, GDI provides you with a 7-day free trial and complete access to everything our affiliate program has to offer. And to ensure your GDI account is in good standing and remains active, the package offers all its services for a small monthly cost at just $10 USD, which allows for an easy duplicatable system that can be replicated by others in your organization. GDI pays all its affiliates in various ways. For this presentation, however, we will be focusing on the two primary methods on how you are compensated. With Global Domains International, by simply referring 5 new active affiliates to your business, you will receive a payout of $100 as a bonus. This principle applies every time an additional 5 new affiliates are personally referred by you. Simply refer 10 new representatives and acquire an additional $200 bonus. Here are some examples and the requirements you'll need to achieve a certain weekly bonus. To ensure all GDI affiliates are performing at their best, the requirements for all bonuses must be met within a 7-day time period. So in order to qualify for a $1,000 bonus payout, you as an affiliate must refer 50 new representatives within 7 days. If you fail to meet these requirements within the set time period, you are always eligible to try again week after week. There is no limit to how many people you can refer within a week's time, and nothing stopping you from earning over $1,000 a week. The most significant way of getting paid in the compensation plan is through earning residual income, which all affiliates qualify for. Basically, you are paid $1 per month per domain registered in your 5-level network. A uni-level compensation plan is the most simple plan in network marketing and the key to our quick growth. Here's an example. You refer 5 people to GDI. That pays you $5 per month. No big deal. However, you'll see the power of this. Each of those 5 people then refer 5 of their own. So you are now getting paid an additional $25 per month on your 2nd level. Each of those 25 can refer as many as they want. But for consistency, we'll say they too refer 5 each. That's $125 in monthly commissions on your 3rd level. If the trend continues, you'll have $625 in monthly commissions on your 4th level, and $3,125 in monthly commissions on your 5th level. That's a total of over $3,900 in monthly commissions for referring 5 people, and then teaching those people how to do the same and assisting them in growing their own organizations. Keep in mind that nobody is limited to how many people they can refer. That is the power of duplication, by building your income on the efforts of others and not just your own. And thus, you are paid month after month by simply doing the work one time. Think about it. By simply referring a handful of new affiliates to GDI and then teaching them the power of duplication, your potential income can grow to a staggering amount. With Global Domains International, you are provided with all the marketing tools, info, and sites to be able to attract new affiliates to your business. So GDI does all the selling for you. All you have to do is direct your prospects to your replicated site or other GDI presentations such as this one, and let the value of everything GDI has to offer do all the selling for you. Today there are over billions of internet users across multiple countries worldwide. You now have the opportunity to use your very own domain name to build a significant income that enables you to live the lifestyle you deserve. That is why we live by this simple yet powerful philosophy that you can have everything you want in life if you just help enough people get what they want. So you help others prosper and you thrive to succeed.